Want to start an online business, but don't know how? Stay tuned for a step-by-step guide. Chapter 1. Find your niche. Identify your passion, solve a problem, research market demand using Google Trends, SEMrush. Chapter 2. Create a business plan. Define your target audience, choose a business model, dropshipping, affiliate marketing, etc. Plan your budget and marketing strategy. Chapter 3. Build your online presence. Create a website, Shopify, WordPress, Wix. Set up social media, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. Optimize for SEO and mobile users. Chapter 4. Drive traffic and market. Use SEO and content marketing. Build an email list, run Facebook and Google Ads, engage on social media. Chapter 5. Monetize and scale. Automate tasks with tools, diversify income, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, track analytics, and optimize. OUTRO host. Follow these steps and start your online business today. Like, comment, and subscribe for more tips.